Tilting TV wall mount on. One brace. Here's the other brace. TV holder, I guess. All the hardware lag bolts, so this is for the wall. That's it, done. So it's for the 32 to 47 inch TV. Here's the remaining hardware. We got the spacer, more screws. This is the, you have to know, it's labeled M8 by 35, so they're all labeled. Unfortunately, I cannot find the manual anymore, so we'll just base it on this picture. So let's find the placement of the TV. This is where I will mount it. So about this height. Okay. Here are the tools I need. Stud finder, of course, with a pencil, and a level, and a power drill, or you can do your manual drill if you want, but power drill helps a lot, and a 532 drill bit, 7/16 wrench, the manual, and connecting to the power drill, power driver, and screwdriver, and a bit, of course, and scissors. That's really it. So let's find the stud first. What? No stand. Okay, there you go. Let's see if that is really the stud. Okay, that's the stud. There's one stud here. Let's find the other one. Should be here. There. Let's see. Double check. Because sometimes there might be wiring inside, so that's why I do double checking it. So next we find the placement of this. This is where you mount the TV. Just the height. I want to get the height. Okay. So should be at this height. Mark here. We'll use the level. That's the height we marked before. And so now it's level. See this? In the center, the bubble. Let's just put this. Okay, it's around this. Let's mark it. Okay. See the bubble? It's in the center. And this one, center bubble. Now we're ready to make holes. 4 of them. So this is the lug bolt, 4 of them, and the washer. So I'm using a 5/32 drill bit for this lug bolt. Well, let's see the length. Whoa. Make it longer. Okay. It's about same length now. Let's drill further. Set this up. I forgot to drill. There you go. Okay, there's about an 1/8 thickness of this one, so we're gonna shorten this a little bit. Okay, that should be good. There you go. Now I'm gonna use this 7/16 wrench. So, washer, bolt, let's set this to 15 or 13, so it stops when it's too much. I think we'll just use the 13, no, 11. Screw. Let's loosen this a little bit. There, so we can move it. I have this manual. Let's do the manual first. The same size. The same size, of course. 7/16. There you go. You heard that? Let's make this 11. No, 13. Here's the back of the TV. Lay it flat. I have some cushion here to protect the screen of the TV. And we'll find the correct lag screw or bolt for these four holes. And I don't think we need spacer for that. So this goes to the top. This is the top of the TV, and it's on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th hole. I just found out that we will need to plug in this chrome here. We'll use the higher one. So we need a spacer because when it hits the wall, it's not gonna be enough. So we need a spacer, something like this. So we need this also, but this is not a problem because this is sideways. Of course, we're gonna need this plug, but it's okay. This is what our problem is. So here are the spacers. Doesn't matter what direction. Yeah, it's the same. We will need a longer screw, probably this. Let's see. Yes, and of course we need the washer. The washer for that is this M4, M5. It's actually not M4, M5, but probably M6, M8. Let's see. The M4, M5 is too small. Now let's see. There you go. So the washer, I believe, would be on this one. Always, so that when we rotate it, it will be on this. It's always on the head, like that, like this. Insert, and we need a okay. just wondering how come this one is tight right away. Let's see. We have to make it square. Square enough. Okay. There you go. Just need to find it. Make it sure that the screw is square. This one is not square. Not exactly to the holes. See that? Let's tighten this first. This one is there you go. Finally, we can tighten this. Now, let's tilt this. Let's put this. The Chrome HDMI 1. HDM 1. There. Let's hang the TV now. Let's put it. There. Perfect. Let's check the view here from the elliptical. Okay. Let's turn it on. Put. Comp. Yes. Okay. There you go.